All right, boys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, it's just kind of a talking video, a little update video, kind of what's going on, what my plans are, and yeah, so just kind of just a short little video I'm gonna throw in there. So yeah, enjoy, and if you want to see more progress, subscribe for more. Thanks, boys. All right, so you know the vibes. Tyler wanted to see if it hits. Yep, we're not doing that. Well, boys, not a good morning. Time right now is 6:37. I'm on the side of the road. So, I don't know what happened. I don't know if I broke the timing belt. I don't know if I broke a crank pulley. It's fucking raining out. It's dark. Well, boys, shout out to Kara's. She's back at the shop. See what happens from here. Not stoked. Love this for me. Car jump timing. Stripped all the teeth off the belt. Motor's probably fucked. So, that's my day, boys. Love that for me. Love life today. It's great. My other car's got a blown up tranny. Not a good start to this year, boys. Not good.
I'm a big dog, and I do big dog shit.
All right, so as you can see, some things have escalated with the Golf. The front clip is out. All the AC stuff is off. All the accessories are off the engine for the most part. You know, alternator, power steering pump, stuff like that, AC pump. Getting ready to pull the motor. As you can see, our timing belt doesn't have any teeth left on it. So yeah, if you guys follow me on social media, you'll know that I stripped the timing belt at 42 pounds of boost, a log red. So yeah, I don't think it was the boost that caused the issue. I just think it was old timing belt. I was a little bit negligent, but either way, she blew up. I've pulled the valve cover off. I don't see anything up top. The cam is still in beautiful condition, so that's good. But yeah, I won't know further until I pull that head and check out. Usually piston 1 is the one that goes, so we'll have to check the top of piston 1, see how it goes. So my plans for this is I'd like to pull the motor out. I'd like to build the head in it, so have a built head. I'm not sure how the block's gonna look, so we might need rods and pistons. You know, we'll see. If so, I might just put stock pistons back in it. I might put, you know, better pistons in it. Who knows? We'll see. Unfortunately, it is what it is, but we'll get it apart, and yeah, so stay tuned for that video. I do have everything off. I have all the coolant lines off, all the vacuum lines off, all the fuel lines are off. The harness is all unplugged and flipped over here the best I can. The axles are out. They're still in the car, but I obviously unbolted them off the transmission. As you can see, I just want to get this thing out and clean it. First things first. So I do have to pick up an engine stand. I'm gonna borrow my buddy's hoist. Shout out to Matt. Yeah, Static Blue Ranger, you can go ahead and follow him. He's gonna help me rip this thing out and let me borrow his stand, so that's cool. But yeah, so pretty much future plans for this: built head, maybe a built block, I don't know. It's all money. I'm trying to work out a couple sponsorship deals if I can. So anybody who wants to help me out and they happen to stumble across this video, hit me up. But yeah, so right now currently this car is powered by a Garrett GTB 1756 turbo. Yeah, so it's been doing great. It's been in there about 3 years. So the reason why we made so much boost is the vanes are stuck a little bit in it. This car was not deleted. So yeah, she got loaded up with soot, the vanes stuck, it over boosted, and yeah, the story writes itself. So I'll be taking the 1756 off of this car, cleaning the vanes, and eventually we're gonna put it on this car. Update on the Jetta. As you know, we got the boost gauge in. We fixed a couple boost leaks up top, and yeah, so I did take her out. You guys are gonna have to wait on the video. It's not my footage, so I can't use it, but I did take Mr. Haggard Garage himself for a rip in it. We made a little video, and yeah, so she pulls pretty good. She runs pretty good. I haven't really beat on it since I did the tranny. The clutch held well. It made around 27 pounds. You know, lots of smoke, lots of pops and bangs on the shift. But yeah, so other than that, this car I'm gonna get ready to finish up the boost leaks on, just on the bottom of the intercooler, and I'm gonna change the O-ring on the turbo outlet. So yeah, we're all set there. And then once I do the timing belt and water pump, which I'll probably do this week, I'll probably make a video on it, because like, why not? And yeah, we're gonna see what this stock turbo makes. I'm gonna go to a local dyno around here, and we're gonna throw it on there, strap her down, you know, just update the tune a little bit maybe, and see what it puts down for a number. Honestly, if it makes 150 horsepower, I'll be stoked. If it makes anywhere close to 250, you know, foot-pounds of torque, I'll be stoked too. It is a stock turbo car, like I said. It is tuned by my boy Tyler. Shout out to him. The drivability is great. He tunes both of them, so he's my tuner. He works with me. He's pretty good. So we definitely got the drivability fucking beautiful. Yeah, she's a little dusty right now, but I did take her to a car show last week, so I've been getting out and about with it. I've been doing little things, so that's cool. Like I said, we did film the video with Orion. Probably gonna have to film another one with him, so might take him for a ride again. And yeah, maybe we'll see if we can get the launch control set and maybe try to launch it now that I'm confident in the transmission and the clutch. So yeah, but that's about where that car is at. Other than that, once I do the timing belt, finish up the boost leak, that's it. That's all I want to do to it. It's done. So yeah, maybe lower it a little bit more, because it is still sitting a little high. But other than that, the car is, I'm so happy with the car. It runs great, it drives good, it feels good, it pulls hard for a stock turbo with boost leaks. I mean, what else can you say? I really don't have anything else to say. So boys, like I said, just a quick little short update on kind of what's been going on, what happened. Still didn't find any damage yet besides that timing belt, but we'll get there, we'll figure it out. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to build a motor overnight. It costs money. I'm figuring probably around $5,000 just to get the motor back in, get it running. So it's not cheap. So I'm thinking about making some stickers. I'm thinking about making some banners. A run of 50 stickers, 10 banners. If those sell, we're going to put them back into the channel. Never going to charge you guys a subscription price or membership, none of that. So my channel is completely free. So yeah, that's about it. I don't really have much else for this video, but yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Let's make 300 horsepower. I think it's easy. I would love to do it on a stock bottom end. A lot of people are saying the rods will be the weak point, but if we keep that torque past 2,500 RPMs, motor should hold. I don't rip on it all the time. I don't drive it raging through every gear. You know, I drive it nice. I drive it normally. So yeah, but until then, you guys are just gonna have to wait. Be patient with me. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you to any OGs that have been with my channel for, you know, a couple of years now. You know, I haven't posted a lot of stuff, but I got those solid people that have been here. So I appreciate y'all, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.